I'm Katie Lee, and I'm eating meat in sweats. Today, I'm making some jerk chicken nachos and surf and turf skewers. Oh yeah. Over here on the grill, I've got a cast iron skillet heating up over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna add to it one of my other favorite things, a rotisserie chicken. Put it in that hot pan, and then I'm gonna add some jerk seasoning to it. And now it's time for the nachos. And now the chicken goes on. That nice chicken spread all throughout. Now the most important part of any nacho, cheese. All right, onto the grill. Close the lid. Let's let that cheese melt. I'm gonna continue with my island vibe and grill up some surf and turf skewers. So I've got some strip steak and shrimp on skewers. I'm gonna make a little bourbon teriyaki sauce to go on it. I'm gonna save some of it so that I can baste as I grill. And I'm just gonna brush it right on to the shrimp and beef. Now I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit of salt. There's a lot of salt in that soy sauce, so you don't need much. All right, let's throw these skewers on the grill. Oh, and it just so happens that our nacho cheese is melted. I'm gonna pull these off. This will be a little snack while the skewers cook. Okay, here it goes. I'm gonna do a quick brush, a little bit more of this glaze. And I've got some orange slices I'm gonna throw right onto the grill as well. And these are just 2 to 3 minutes per side, so it's really quick. It's just enough time to enjoy a few bites of nachos. I'm gonna just stop right now. Look at all that good melted cheese. I've got some avocado and mango salsa here. Little cilantro, little hot pepper in there, lime juice. I need a nacho selfie. They look perfect. Wow. The sugars that's in the marinade totally caramelized. Oh. So I saved a little bit of the marinade. Just gonna drizzle that right on top. Oh, Gus, I hear you. It's coming your way. Just be patient. Gonna top them with a little sprinkle of sesame seeds and some fresh green onions. This looks like a party to me. Jerk chicken nachos and surf and turf skewers. For more meat sweat inducing recipes, be sure to subscribe.